and I'm back with another video. And today we're gonna do a little vloggy vlog for the week. It is Monday, 8 o'clock, headed to a doctor's appointment. And this is my spring break from nursing school. But if you haven't already, make sure you watch that video. I'll put the link up here about how school is going, and it might be a little longer than me taking off for a week, but we'll see. Just leaving the doctor's office, I got poked up a little bit. I discussed with my doctor my concern for my anxiety. I never had problems with anxiety until nursing school, and it's gotten worse. Like, I could literally feel my heart pounding out of my chest. Like when it comes to taking tests, and it kind of got worse with driving and things like that. So we discussed that, and we're gonna try some medication because I've tried everything. I tried praying, meditation before tests, everything, and nothing seems to be working. I prepared for the test, so I have like no anxiety about, I don't know, not about like not knowing the information or something. And I really don't like taking medications, but I don't know what else to do. I feel like my performance is decreasing because of the anxiety. Hopefully this works. And I got some blood work done, so I got poked up a little bit. Today is Tuesday, and I am at work today. It is like 5:53. So it's almost time to get started, get my day going. I already showed you guys how the anesthesia tech work, so just check out that video if you're interested. But yeah, I'm here till 2:30 today, and let's get it. I left my work phone all the way in the car. Call me, beat me if you want to reach me. Got it. Hey y'all, it's your girl Kay, and today is Wednesday, and I'm doing a little spring cleaning all around the house. I did the linen closet yesterday. I'm doing my bedroom closet today because don't judge me, y'all. Closet makeover definitely coming soon. But yeah, this fell completely out of the wall. They half did it anyway when we bought the house. So I'm doing a spring cleaning since this happened, and I can't live like this. And we're waiting on our design from the closet to come back for our new closet. Cute and all with the little detailing, but is this my style anymore? And can my big boob fit in this now? I don't know. To say I had it since college, I think it'll go. Do I need 3 of the same color pink shirts? I'm gonna go with yes, because pink is my favorite color, but they're the same style, and I'm trying to minimize, but they're all different. This one is V-cut. This one has more of a round neck. This one has a round neck, but the back is a little different. So as I was spring cleaning the top here, looking all nice and neat, color coordinated, you know, this happened and this happened. Really, we're just gonna have to speed up redoing our master closet anyway, I guess. Our old closet is literally falling apart. Everything's on the ground. And if you guys know me, I'm definitely a nice and organized person. Like, look at this. I don't like this closet. I never liked it from the start, but I'm definitely making use of the space, and I keep my stuff organized. For this to happen, it's just like, what the heck? So this is just gonna be organized, and then this is just gonna be chaos. No, I'm gonna fix it to make it look better. And pause, look how much clothes I got rid of. Like, look at all that space, okay? It may not look like a lot, but this was literally packed. Like, I couldn't even, you know, like super packed. Now, your girl got space for more clothes. No, I'm just kidding. I'm trying to keep my clothes to a minimum when we redo our closet. I want everything in my closet that I actually love, and I still want to get rid of some stuff, but I don't want to get rid of it quite yet because I want to make sure I replenish it before I get rid of it. Here's an update on my pal here. Now I have to figure out what to do with all these folded clothes right here. Like I have my pants, my jeans, shorts, workout stuff that couldn't fit here. I probably need to try to get rid of some of these t-shirts or some of these workout clothes, but I really don't want to. So with my new closet, I'm gonna make sure I have enough space to cover it all. These drawers are full. I have socks and my sports bras in here. We gotta do something with this. I think I'm gonna try to get rid of some shoes because my taste has kind of changed. It's neat for the temporary stuff, you feel me? For now, I just have my jeans and stuff sitting here. I will be having a shoe rack in the new closet, but I don't want to invest in a shoe rack now just for this temporary stuff. Spring cleaning is complete. I know I'm probably late on this, but I'm watching behind her eyes instead of spring cleaning that porch. Have y'all watched behind her eyes? I'm probably late to this because nursing school makes you behind on everything. So I'm trying to catch up on all the good shows. Comment down below some good shows for me to watch. I just went grocery shopping.
Different tires.
Be different tires each time.
But they both be on the bed. It's always been the bad tires. My bad tires are brand freaking new. No, because it did not feel like this driving.
We are back in the car after about an hour and a half. Mom just went to Sam's to get a new tire because it was a nail in her tire. Well, I'm telling you, with Mom, she always get like a nail, screw, something in her tire. So this is nothing new to us. And good thing she has road hazard. So lesson for today, when you get new tires, always pay extra for the Today is Friday. It's Friday. And I'm at my favorite plant shop because I got 3 new pots. Comment down below some plant suggestions of great plants I should get that's easy to maintain in the house. I'm looking for house plants. Hey, how are you?
Would you like a buggy?
Yes, I will. Thank you.
I guarantee you'll find one inside.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. Plant Haven. Time for more plants. This place is even bigger. Look at these pretty pots. Hand-painted pots. So pretty. I love these little spiral trees to go on the front porch. But I don't even see a price on them, but I know they're always so expensive. You know how more those green ones for the front porch? I like these too. Those are cute. This one's pretty. I like this one. So I'm gonna get this one. Oh my gosh, look at this. These are all so huge. Look at that fiddle. Got some repotting mix. So here are all my indoor plants here. I actually wait till it got a little later, so hopefully you guys still can see me in the light and it's not too bad. So I just took, let's bring you guys closer. I just took it out this pot and I'm gonna put this new soil in there. So give it a little shake here. Soil, which I feel will be better for the plant. So I repot it. And honestly, I need a bigger pot for this because it's getting way too big for this pot. But I don't have one, so this will do for now. I'm gonna water it. I'm gonna try this little meter thing, see how this works. I have it here. So it's saying it's dry, which is true, and alkaline. And for a snake plant, and then it has what levels it should be here. A little secret for you guys. So if you get some coconut oil, any kind of coconut oil. And I'm gonna use these cotton pads and some water, and you rub them on the plant's leaves, but especially like the fiddle leaf and the rubber plants, and it makes them really nice and shiny. I'll show y'all. Here's the leaves before. I just got this plant today, so you wanna kind of get all the nastiness off of it and make them pop, you know? So here's the before, and let me show you the after. Here's the after. See, they look like brand new leaves. It's the leaves for me, yes.